Hey guys, we're out scrapping. Got some metal. Crock pot can stay. Oh, you guys can see. Oh, put you up. There we go. Or tilt you a little bit. There we go. Perfect. I think that's a good angle. Starting off with some stuff in the trailer already. Neighbor gave me some stuff and whatnot. There's an ironing board up here. And a couple weights. The ironing board's got a plug on it. You ever seen that before? Never seen that before. Okay. Okay guys, got a water cooler. This one's probably 20-30 pounds. Okay, there we go. Ooh, I didn't even notice there's a faucet. We'll have to try to get that off. Holy shit. Looks like it's the week of video games. That looks like it's an original Nintendo or video game thing. I might have really scored. Okay, give me 1 second. I'm gonna take the sink faucet off and I'll get back to you guys in a minute. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna be scrap. And I don't know how to release it. Okay, taking this and off stir. Don't know how to. I gotta figure out how to fold this up. I got no clue. Cushion's going back in a second. This is gonna be a very tricky load. There we go. Okay, TikTok got a printer, and we did pick up a basketball net off camera. You need to scrub that, didn't break anymore. So yeah, we did grab a basketball net off camera. Look at that. Already taken apart. Definitely was trash. Okay, I am just gonna grab the pop cans in the blue bin and clean up my mess. And I'll see you guys at the next one. Just a bucket and a hose and more pop cans. I am taking pop cans because they're almost 4 cents each right now. Well, they are 4 cents each. I get 80 cents a pound for pop cans. So 80 cents a pound. Around 4 cents each. Okay, take 20 cans, I get a pound roughly. Well, that's each 12 cents. Got an extension cord. Okay, take that too. There we go. 3 more pop cans. And saw a faucet box. Okay. Almost missed this. Paper shredder. There we go. Paper shredder. See you guys in a minute. Some metal and some pop cans. Okay, come back to the rest, and there is a dishwasher up ahead. So you guys will have to give me a second. I'm probably gonna load the dishwasher without you guys and take the rest of these pop cans without you. Okay, see you in a minute. Okay guys, so I grabbed the dishwasher, we had a bunch of empties
and whatnot in there too. But that was heavy. This was the dishwasher here. This little thing was really heavy. I struggled to lift it. I was surprised on how heavy that was. Probably weighed like 200 pounds because I can lift washers and dryers no problem, but that was heavy. Okay, there we go. Okay, I did pick up that metal garbage can in that ring. Another whippersnipper. Okay, I'll see you at the next one. Okay guys, I got a chair. Just waiting, there's a car. Pink. And aluminum, I think. We'll have to see. Don't want to show my plate, so I'll show you over that way. Then I have to edit the video more. That's aluminum. I'm gonna put this in and I'll see you in a minute. Okay, I got a nice old chair and I've actually broken a bunch of these, so that one's a keeper. It's a keeper. I'll put that in the back of the vehicle in just a second. Because beer can, beer bottle. Wine bottle. Okay. Okay. We got chandelier, toaster, and fryer. Or something or other. Okay. Picked up some more pop cans and an ironing board. Excuse me. Just had a soda. Grab the cords. Then this wire here is tin plated or tin wire. It's copper and tin. It's one category. Pays more than mid-grade. Mid-grade is extension cords and other stuff like that. Okay, I'm gonna just throw this in a better spot and I'll see you in a minute. Okay, we got this. I'm gonna get loaded and I'll see you guys in a minute. Doing well. Look at that. And I got a bag. I also got a vacuum cleaner, a sawhorse. We're filling the back of the van as well as the trailer. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21, 5, 7, 8, 9, 30, 132, 33 and 2 pop cans. 33 and 2 pop cans. And 2 pop cans. There's a car coming. Don't know where they're going. Hopefully I didn't get those people on camera. If I do, I gotta edit them out. Can I turn you guys off? Maybe like that. That just looks like plastic. That's a motor, I think. I think that can go with motor. Motor or pump. I'm gonna cut the cords off. That thing. Okay. How do I get the tank off? It's the golden question. Tank 1. Oh, there we go.
we go. I'm gonna get this loaded. It's like it's office turning. Or maybe we flip it. Oh, well, that fell right off. Normally, I would just take the whole thing because that's waterlogged. That's good weight, and my yard will not care about that. My yard really doesn't care what you throw off, as long as it's metal-ish. That's all they need. I got a pressure washer, I think. And look at that storage tote. Who throws this? Why do people throw this shit away? It bugs me. It's like, that's a good storage tote. And a pressure washer. I'm gonna take this one probably home to strip for a motor, because I haven't found much other stuff to strip for a motor other than the pressure washer, which I might do. There we go, cut the cord off. I make sure to take the end off that. I'm throwing all the cords in a milk crate. We might sell them tomorrow, or we might hold on to them. Hello. Okay, we got a weird ass flipping lamp. Very old. Ooh, and there's wine cartons and beer cans. Holy shit. Okay, I gotta cut this with my pocket knife. Fuck. Hopefully I don't get in trouble for TikTok. I heard they don't like knives on TikTok. People think it's not okay. Okay. Cut it in the wrong spot. For damn it. Ugh. Alright, some plugs, I think. Okay. I'm gonna turn you guys off and to put this in and I'll come back in a minute. Scrap metal. However, non-alcoholic, the bats are returnable. Well, 19. 27, 30, 31, 32, 33, 4, 35, 6, 7, 8, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 5, 46, 47, 48, 9, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 5, 56, 7, 58, 60, 62, 62, 63, 45, 6, 7, 69. So we'll call that 70. And then 70. And then there's some old ass wine cartons. 70. Oh, that's an adult box. That's interesting. You get to learn a lot about people when you see their blue bins. 70 cans. 70. And then some more metal. The base to that lamp is made of solid steel. And I will go back for that tennis racket because I am getting close to my time limit. I set a certain amount of time, and if you can't make money in that amount of time, then you go home. I generally only go out for 2 hours at a time. 2 hours is my time each night. Holy fuck, guys. I'm gonna open up the trunk so I don't chew my plate because I have to do less there's a bin full of number 1 wire, and that's probably brass actually. A bin full. Look at all that. Oh fuck, that's heavy. You guys seeing this? Look at that. That's such a shred. But look at that, all number 1. That'll probably be steel. That would be brass, aluminum. Like this is a major score. That's Bear Bright at my yard, even though it's not bright, they still call it Bear Bright. Okay. That stuff goes back there. Shred. Okay. There we go. I'm gonna load up the fire pit, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Wire and brass. You guys see all that wire in there? There's some, looks like some stuff that might be brass, might not be. That bag's full of charcoal. I might take that.